In this session, we'll examine the fundamentals of how we interact with the Autocad program through various menus, icons, and mouse techniques. We'll begin at the startup screen that is shown here. The largest window which is now visible is the graphics window. This is where we'll draw and modify our parts. Notice as the crosshairs are moved within this window that the numerical values displayed in the lower left corner of the screen change. These values are the X, Y, and Z coordinates of the crosshair. The lower left corner of the graphics window corresponds to the origin of the coordinate system. Along the top of the screen are the pull-down menus. After moving the cursor over the desired option, we'll click the left mouse button to highlight the option and display the list of available pull-down commands. Using pull-down menus is not the only technique through which commands are given to Autocad. We can also select commands by clicking on icons that are contained as part of a toolbar. Notice that as we move the cursor over the top icon on the drawing toolbar, we see the command line, which can be given by clicking on this icon. There are two other toolbars that are currently displayed on the screen. The standard toolbar is displayed horizontally, directly below the pull-down menu options. It contains frequently used functions such as the undo option shown here. The other toolbar that is available on the screen, as it is shown here, is the Modify toolbar. It contains the erase icon as well as other icons that will allow us to make changes to our drawings. Later in these lessons, we will learn how to customize the interface and add additional toolbars to our screen. Autocad also allows commands to be typed in from the keyboard. When this is done, your typing shows up in the lower portion of the screen called the Command Prompt area. Autocad also uses this region of the screen to display prompts, so we'll need to keep an eye on this area of the screen. At the very bottom of the screen, just to the right of the coordinates, is the status bar area. It contains buttons starting with Snap and Grid. As we left-click on these buttons, they toggle between an on-off status. We will find these buttons allow us quick access to various drawing aids available in Autocad. Autocad makes use of both the left and right buttons on the mouse. The left button is used to select menu options and icons as well as to indicate locations within the graphics window with the crosshair. As we will see, the right mouse button is used to accept default options of a command or to end a current process. We will find that the escape key is useful in canceling a command that we entered by mistake. If you find yourself in the middle of an option that you entered by mistake, you can usually exit the command by pressing the escape key once or twice.